folks, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw cherubimon in his good form. You must know this is what cherubimon used to look like when he was young in his good form. But anyways, cherubimon, he was a good guy. He returns to being a good guy in the original Digimon Frontier series. Plus, he was a good guy back in the Digimon movie, but when he was under a virus. You know, this song really reminds me to go to the mall in Massapequa. That mall has everything. They used to have a food court blimp, a DVD store. They have a Lego shop, the best kind of GameStop in the world. I'd do anything to go there again if it wasn't for the coronavirus outbreak that's driving me nuts. Sorry, folks, I really wanted to get that thing off my chest. There's his head here. There's his body. There you go. Alexa, start the song over. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Make sure to draw his huge hands. If you saw my last video of me drawing the evil version of cherubimon, be sure to go to that video, because I like it too. And I've been trying to get to this site cartooning for kids. I've been trying to reach this guy through the comments below, wanting him to draw alternate Crozma, but instead he wanted me to he drew Lucario, which was a total bust. Anyways, I want you to I want him to get my comments, and I hope he watches this video, cause I want to be a good artist just like him. Anyways, that's how you draw cherubimon good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and can you let me know what kind of awesome Digimon I want to draw next? You guys want me to draw next? Until then, I'll see you guys soon. And it looks like Cherubimon wants to give you a hug. Pretty funny, right? Look at him. He's all like, I love you guys. He looks a little bit like Goodra, if you ask me. But that's what makes him awesome. He's always looking for a hug.